My name is Niels Wagemaker. I'm the co-founder of Circular Industries, and we're based here in Amsterdam, the Netherlands. So happy to meet you here. I will tell you a little bit more about our company, which involves the deep recovery of critical raw materials for the energy transition. The current status quo is that the EU wants more raw materials in the supply chain. But that's pretty hard because we are very reliant of China and Russia, for instance, when it comes to energy metals. And what we see is that the current processes of the urban mining industry throughout the world, but also in Europe, isn't designed to recover more elements. So what we are about to do is creating a new standard. And we're going to use as an input source print circuit boards. And I've got one over here. This is a print circuit board from my dyed media box. So I took it apart, and a printed board like this can contain a lot of elements. So the reason why we're focusing on print circuit boards is because it's the most complex waste stream on Earth. This is the only waste stream that can actually contain 60 elements from the periodic table. So no other waste stream can match that. And furthermore, what we see is that the current industry is only able to take out 5 of the elements, or sometimes maximum 7. It's gold, silver, palladium, platinum, and copper. We go way beyond that. We go to 25. And by doing so, we are a first-of-a-kind project. And by the way, from these 25, 12 can be listed as critical raw materials. So, when you look at the current processes, most of these processes are very toxic. They have toxic fumes, they have toxic wastewater, toxic byproducts. We don't have any of that. So how do we do that? We do that with 7 layers of recovery, like we call it. So in different stages of the process, we are able to recover elements up to 25. And by the way, the process is patented. We don't own the technologies. The technologies are proven. But we are an integrator, and we're integrating all these existing technologies into one plant, and that is what we have patented. Our business model is the fact that we are purchasing 15,000 tons of print circuit boards. That's a lot. It could be billions of these, also in smaller sizes. And what we extract is basically a lot of energy metals for the energy transition, among which a lot of copper, one of the most important energy transition metals, but also a lot of nickel. And from this nickel, let's say, we can produce millions of batteries, or other parties can do that with our metals. We've got a very skilled team. Actually, I'm the youngest of all, and the rest of the team is even more skilled than I am. And the next steps is the fact that we are just raised 2 million euros to complete our process and product validation. And next is talking with investors to make sure that we will reach to the product finance phase, and with that we will raise about 65 million euros to build the factory, and it will be completed in 2026, the first quarter. If you have any questions, you can contact us at booth number D04. So thank you very much for your time.